Robin AI Reports Builder is a simple yet powerful way to leverage legal AI to look across hundreds or even thousands of documents. You can extract and synthesize key provisions with citations included, which can be really useful for things like audits, quarterly reports, and for due diligence exercises. We know how time-consuming and manual the work is to actually analyze hundreds or even thousands of documents. In fact, we've heard of projects that have been reduced from 6 months to just 2 weeks using this type of technology. And in the space of time that it takes for you to go and get a cup of coffee, you can have a report back at your desk, which takes the unstructured data across hundreds of thousands of documents and produces it in a really simple format in either Excel or Word for further analysis. I'm going to walk through how to actually create a report in Robin AI to illustrate how simple this process is. All you need to do is upload documents into the system and choose the format of the report. Now you can use one of the pre-built templates that Robin AI has available, and these cover a lot of common terms that are searched for within a specific type of document, in this case supplier agreements. You can then customize these reports, or you can create your own reports completely from scratch. And the beauty of this tool is that it's a very simple way for you to ask questions in natural language about your documents and get the outputs that you need that are unique to your requirements, whether that's for regulatory reporting or whether that's internal use cases like updating playbooks with new positions based on what you've negotiated in the past quarter. Now, when you've created your report, you can label it as required, and the purpose of this is for you to be able to share the document to get alignment with different team members, or you can keep reports private to you for specific types of sensitive incidents, like responding to a cyber attack or a data breach, where you may need to surface all of your obligations that relate to notifying customers about data breaches, but you want to do that in a sensitive, discreet way within your organization. Now, this tool is being leveraged across enterprises around the world. That includes major global asset managers, it includes huge telecoms companies, and these are leveraging this technology to be able to synthesize the information that exists in this unstructured format in contracts or legal documents. And this is saving hundreds of hours of work. Now, Robin AI Reports is completely flexible and versatile to meet any use case that you have across your business. We're there to help you to understand the potential options and the potential ways that you could leverage this technology. And legal AI is really making sure that lawyers are no longer having to do the really frustrating, time-consuming manual work and can instead focus on the analysis of documents.